Okay. So what I have to install for first one there? Tell me once. Pip space install. Pip space install. Open PyXL. What is the use of this package? Will help me to open the CSV files. Okay. Then pip space install request. Because I want to get something from the website. So I'm installing what? Pip space install request. Then last is what? Pip space install BS4, you can say. Full form Beautiful Soap 4. Just make a note of this three things. Okay, let me go fasterly now. Done. So all installed now. Let me know once in chat box also whether all install these packages. How many have installed? Raise the hands once. All three. Okay, done. Okay, fine. Okay, Abhishek. Okay, so now this here once. Just here once, just 5 minutes here once, then you can do your things. Okay. So what I'm typing there HTML, you can take any variable name. So what is my variable name here? HTML. You can take any variable name. Only for an understanding purpose, I keep the word HTML. But actually, you can take any name. Variable can be anything or your fixed thing. Any name. And do you have any limit for variable naming in Python? I have any limit? I'm asking limit. There is no limit for what naming variable in the Python. I can have how many characters long I can have. Okay. Then what is pip full form? Pip full form Python installation package. Python installation package. Pip is the package manager for what? Python. For Windows, Chocolatey. For Mac and Linux, Homebrew. Okay, these things you have to know compulsory. Okay, don't forget whether you're getting job or not, that is secondary. But these things you have to compulsory know. You don't know what interview will be asking. You can't expect these things you learn and go tomorrow. They'll be asking these things. I can't say. So these are common things which you have to know. Okay. So what is the URL I'm typing? They know this is URL open. What is website name? Wikipedia. One film name. Okay. So if you just copy this, if you open the Wikipedia now. So Wikipedia. And in the Wikipedia, I'm typing there what is suppose there is a film name called as Josh. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan film there. So here now what I want to get only this table now. Only this what now? Table. Okay. So right click here, click on now. See focus here properly. Okay. This you can't modify. Again, you have to go with cell name only because here some drawbacks are there. Ultimately, you have to go with what? Python cell name only. So right click here, click on what now? Inspect. So here table is here. And what is the class name? Wiki table. Okay, this is a class name. Table and what is the class name? Wiki table. Every class will have a name. So I don't know how many of you know CSS or HTML, all those things, but every class will be having some name. Okay. So now here, same thing. I have passed what URL there. So check once URL there. URL. Okay, this is the URL. And what I'm trying to get now, see here now. Soap equal, you can take any variable, beautiful soap from what? HTML page. Get what? HTML parser, whatever there in the page, get them. Okay. You can even type HTML parser, you can type even what? LXML also. But highly recommend is what? HTML.parser. Now what I'm saying, table equal to soup.find all. Like how you remember find element by ID, find element by XPath, all these things are done in the case of Selenium. Same thing here also. But here what? Some people will say what? Uncomfortable. There at least you have one shortcut now. If I open the Chrome, if I open Wiki table, Wikipedia, and if I open that and type there again what? Josh Hindi. And if I want to know about this thing, what Josh Hindi, suppose I want to know about this film, about this table. I want to get this table. Right click, inspect, go to selector sub. I'm getting all the things, CSS selector, XPath, like this I'm getting there. So here I'll have behind what? No confusion there. But here in the case of what this beautiful soap, I have to use my brain there now. I have to use my what? Brain. So soup dot find all table, because it's a table. What's the class name here? Table, wiki table. So class name, wiki table. And position what here? 0. Now what I want to get? All the rows, because table will contain what? Rows and columns. So I want to get all the rows. So find all what? TR means what? Table, row. TH. So TR means what? Table, row. At least these are basics. Okay, don't. If you're feeling uncomfortable, this you can skip. Okay. Table, row. TH, table, head. Because these are all advanced concepts. Okay, just you can leave it. Table head. Then even what? One more. TD, table data. Okay. So 4 things you have to know. TR. One more there. No. TR, TH, TD. Okay. Now see here now. What I'm getting? Store in what now? In a table, rows. Okay. So now what I'm saying there? First of all, I want to make one file called as what now? What's the file name? Suppose I'll be saying what now? Josh. Okay, Josh program 2 p.m. or what 3 p.m. now? Suppose now 3 p.m. So what's my file name now? Josh program 3 p.m. .csv. So I'm making in what one now? WT plus means what? Writing to the file. And I'm storing in what now? CSV format. So I have taken this empty list because I want to show in what? In a list only there. Then I am getting what? Table data and table header part. Now append why? Because whatever there will go out sorted wise properly. First list, then second one will be added out after every list. Now why I'll be using pandas? See, if I don't use pandas, nothing has happened, but I won't be able to see the file. First of all, we have to know where we are. Okay, how to know where we are? PWD, present working directory. So where we are? C drive users Josh HD. So first of all, let us know what are the files there in that path. So ls command. So many files are there. But do you have any file called as Josh program 3 p.m.csv file? Is there any file there? No. So now I just want to execute. I'm not executing the pandas. I just want to make a file and keep in my what directory there. So now run. So file made, everything done. It's saying there. Let us type the ls command now. Ls, enter. So see there now. This CSV file made. What time? 15 minutes or 3 o'clock now. Today's date. Let us see really made a. Okay, let us go with what? C drive users Josh HD. Okay, here made a file. If you want to see the file, you can see Excel. Yes. So all came. Title, singers, length, name. But you're not able to see properly there. Not able to see what? Properly. Because in the real time also, your bank statements like your bank salary, everything will be shown to anyone. Example, if I know how much you're having in your account, then totally what? Khatam. If your OTP there, in your phone, your OTP should come. Yes or no? Same. So in the real time, some kind of data will be hidden to you, will not be shown. And this is separate team will be there again. Separate team, quality assurance team will be there. Okay. Only they'll be having some permissions. Like how CSC branch, IT branch will be there. Na? All branches same or different? Different. So one more team will be there. Only they'll be having the right to open the file and check. But remaining persons, they can't able to see. But with the help of pandas now, you can able to see now. See here. That file is there. I don't want to run. I just want to open the file and see. So import pandas as PD and the file name. What's the file name? Josh Slim. Yeah, Josh program, not Josh Slim also. Josh program 3 p.m.csv and print it. I just want to get what? Table part, the song name, all those things. Clear screen, run the code. So displayed. These are the song names, length, and the lyrics. Okay. If I want to know how many rows and columns are there, how many rows? First of all, 8. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many there? 4. If I 5 here, okay, from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 there. Okay. Let us see how can we know exactly. A dot is shape. I just want to know how many rows and columns. So A dot is shape. So run the code. We'll get number of rows and number of columns. So how many there rows? 8 rows. How many columns? 5 columns. So this is the first thing. And don't do any modifications. Okay. If you want to do modifications, better go with what? Selenium only. Because here you are having some kind of a restrictions, some kind of a complexity. So this is the first thing called as what? Regarding the beautiful soap. Okay. But not really. This is a basic part. So execute the first program in your laptop once. Everyone, try once. And check where the file has been executed and try to print on the screen also. I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Execute the program, check once. Don't change the URLs, all these things, because every website has their own ID, own links, different things will be there. And I don't want to dive into what this HTML CSS. That is separate concept again. Total 1 month will take again. And not recommended also. This what I'm saying will be enough. What is HTML? Programming language or what? Hypertext markup language. And you can say what HTML is like what? Skeleton. So let me know how many have executed this program, first program. Yeah, respond in chat box once. Those have executed this program, first program. Let me go fast also here onwards. Not working or what? My not writing or not typing also code. This time saying run the code. Don't type will take 3 days. Bootstrap not there. I'm not a bootstrap. If I can bootstrap, tomorrow they'll be out. They won't come. Because how much has happened, you know about the bootstrap. But if I tell them, all be confused like what is bootstrap or this. Open the file. Open your WhatsApp, check the file. Okay, Karthik done. Others respond. Okay. Close the file. Close the file. Comments. Select all. Save problem. Now close the file. Open the BS4. Yes. Keep the space install. What is applying the keep the space install? So your Mac and using the Mac to check what's the life file for the problem the keep space install. PS. Enter. Type beautiful soap 4. Keep the space install beautiful soap 4. I'm still not able to one expression. Anyway, getting error, right? Fine, version is fine. Open the file and when I'm showing the time it's faster. Okay, because the programs some change it. Okay, what on that file? Command for add. Compile command is installed. Keep installing my file. Something wrong. Refresh laptop or change. I told you install all Windows. Over expression over 1, 2, 2. It is fine. So is it your thinking? Right? CSC install will be again. Just I think you have installed the required. And set the properly path of the thing. Yeah, if you install pandas by default, NumPy also will get installed because pandas works only with NumPy only properly. If I say, and don't change these things, okay, please. If you're changing, then you have to require proper knowledge and beautiful soap. But you can say this: what in the resume I have done hands-on experience on what a beautiful soap. Hands-on experience on what a beautiful soap. Make a note of this in somewhere in the book. Suppose today morning I told you if I ate something, is it compulsory I have to prove I ate morning this thing? Should I keep some dust or something and show? Same thing, no one will ask you. Show once you are done now, show once no one asks you. Okay, that much no one will ask you, don't worry. Hands-on experience on beautiful soap, web scraping tool. Beautiful soap, write spelling correctly, please. Hands-on experience on beautiful soap, web scraping. So people will say, I are done scrapping. But what they done, which tool you have applied, they can't say. Tell lies, but how much lies properly lies you say? Don't know how to tell lies also, then we can't say. Like one story will be in a childhood. Someone will come to beg, parents will say, not there you say. My mother told, not there you say. Like this will say, in childhood. Once again. Everywhere. Django, if you start, then you'll understand all those things. Django. But that must have enough going there. This should be enough. Total everything will be built in only. You have to only change your URL. That's the thing. Like how in Beautiful Soap color you want to change, this thing you want to change. Are writing total code in a Beautiful Soap in a Bootstrap? No. Same thing. Okay. Okay, now next focus second one there. Done. Okay, see you now. Second one there. Keyword. Focus now here, please. Okay. Focus now. Okay. Because people will ask you, don't write the code and show. What you have used, at least theory part you have to say. I have done this thing, I'll say. But if I don't know Python only, list tuple. Can I say I know Python again? So you're using something here, NLTK, Beautiful Soap. What is it you have to explain? That's the thing. They won't write the code and show, no one asks. Beautiful Soap is what? A web scraping tool. Enough. CSS is what? To open a CSS file. I'm using what? Open PyXL. To get a response on the request, to get whatever downloading from the what? HTML. What I'm installing, people space install, request. Enough. Khatam, over. To tell these things, people will say blah, 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 blah. I don't know why. The blah, blah, no need. No one is interested in listening all this blah, blah. Okay. Now focus here. Stop doing whatever you're doing now. Focus. So what is the first thing you're seeing over here now? NLTK. Focus. Okay, focus. Properly focus. NLTK. Full form is nothing but what? Natural Language Toolkit. Natural Language Toolkit. Make a note of this one. And these things no need to worry, okay? Depends upon the capacity, seeing your performance. They'll be assigning the projects to you. But you should never say, I don't know this. Okay. Some things have a habit of saying no. One project came, do that project enough. Sir, I've done this project, anything work there, boss, tell me one more work there. Extra only pay, okay? You wish again. Extra, if you want to sit, you can sit. And do multiple projects, but don't expect anything in return. So what is full form of NLTK? Natural Language Toolkit. Then in this, now let me open. So website also you have to open and keep ready. Okay, that also is important. So if you want to install packages and modules or anything, what website you have to follow? pypy.org. Full form of pypy. Python package index. Okay. So what I'm installing? NLTK. Full form? Natural Language Toolkit. Okay, pip install NLTK. Okay, fine. Next, somewhere are setting again fourth color there, fourth line color is there something. Rake underscore NLTK. This one kind of algorithm. One kind of what? Algorithm. So if I don't know how many of you done projects, they'll be asking you in your project what algorithm you have applied. This question they'll be asking you. In your project, what algorithm you have applied? They'll be asking. But 90% they won't ask because by seeing your resume, they'll be understanding how much your caliber, all those things. So now let us see now what is NLTK. One kind of what? Algorithm. So see now type the what? Rake NLTK. See once now properly. What is rake full form? Rapid automatic keyword extraction algorithm. Make a note of this one. Total paragraph you make a note on. Okay. Don't skip. So what is rake? If I ask you, rapid automatic keyword extraction algorithm. And I'm just showing the basics, okay, how they're doing the real time. Depending on this, many parts will be there that they won't be disclosing in the real time. So what is my part aim now? First one previously what just want to get to the table there. One website was there, table I want to get. Okay, I'm using Beautiful Soup, getting a table. Okay, fine. Now what I want to do in the second project now, I want to extract somewhat keywords. These keywords are nothing but what, suppose if I'm typing some mobile brand, like what, Realme or something, whose website will come first? Whose website will come first? If you properly, when you're buying phone, two websites will come. What are two websites? Amazon or else Flipkart. Apart from this, nothing will come. Maybe third party, that is Snapdeal, so that's will come. But mostly what you expect, either Amazon or Flipkart. Then how you thinking they're ranking? Why Flipkart coming first? Why not Amazon coming first? All these things. That is what, because of keywords. So every keyword, when you're making some website, you'll be storing one what keywords. Okay, that thing we can't show, okay, but that'll be possible. Let me show you. Right, Control U will be hidden. Mostly will be hidden. Okay, you can't able to see. Control U. So mostly it will be hidden there. No, hidden it is, because everyone knows. Then again, all will copy and paste. So keywords they won't show. Some people, some company, there'll be some websites. Suppose fresher is making, that much security won't provide. But big companies, they know what things to hide. So keywords will be what hidden, so that only my website should come first. My thing should come first. Okay. So now if I type there, Realme phones, Realme mobiles. So who's coming first? The Realme.com is coming, depending upon what, because I've typed what Realme there. Okay. But if you check the images part, whose first image is coming there? Amazon, then Flipkart, something will come here. Okay. So this is happening because of some kind of an algorithm. But what exact algorithm, they won't be disclosing. They won't be what disclosing. But if you want to understand these things, you have to first of all understand about what SEO, search engine optimization. So even if I'm making some things, we'll be asking, if you want to make a house, what are the primary things required to make a house? First thing, what will be buying? Will you buy paint first? Or you'll be buying first wires? Or first, like what you say, floor marbles? No. What will be hiring first? What will be first buying? Sand, after sand, then cement, then bricks, all those things. Then labors. Not first labor, then all these things. First what, basic you're following these things. Okay now? Or no one directly wire, first wire will start, first marble will start, keep ready. Anyone there? No. Same thing here also. I have to install what? Rake. In this website now, what I'm passing out the text one, text one there. Hello, welcome to Josh Innovations course Python programming in second floor at Amirpet. No, anyone is searching in the website Python Institute in Amirpet. So any website may come, depending upon the ranking, who are using keywords, all those things. Okay. Now, in this, what is the highest important keyword according to you? In this total thing, if I click on the website, who will be given the highest priority according to you thing once in this total sentence? Python. Because globally, what is very famous? Python keyword. Okay. That's the thing what I'm thinking there. So first install what now? First thing you have to install what now? Yeah, clear screen. Install what? First of all, pip space install NLTK. NLTK or rake underscore NLTK. So directly install first of all rake pip space install rake. See this properly understand. Don't do when I'm saying. Okay. After I'm saying, then you do. Okay. Or else half part will understand. Half pass you won't be able to understand. I'm saying. Pip space install what? Rake. There I'm using hyphen. Underscore I'm using here in the fourth line. But here I have to use what? Hyphen. NLTK. Because mostly people coming and say, so you used hyphen here, why not using underscore here? Check your website there. PyPy.org, rake here. Hyphen underscore. But using time, how I'm using there? Underscore. Okay, that's the reason I'm saying to focus here. Pip space install rake under hyphen or underscore hyphen NLTK. Enter. So done. So clear screen once. Save the program. Close it. Once again open. So yellow color coming now anymore? No. And focus here, not over. Chill. Who telling over? Focus. From this NLTK, natural language toolkit, it is not natural language. Just natural language toolkit. Toolkit means what? So many things will be there. So many things. Okay. From this toolkit, what I'm trying to install, download here, stop words and funket. A very important words. So focus here now. Open terminal window. Run this clear screen there once. So see once here, run the code. This stop words and funket install first. Check there. Are they both installed? First of all, stop words got installed. In what format? Check there once. Fine, that much will be there. What location also can check there. That much in C drivers use Josh H. If I want to show, let me check once. C drive uses Josh HD. And what was there? Yeah, hidden files will be there once. Let me check once. Stop. Corpora zip. So I have to check once properly. Okay, view, show hidden part. Okay, app data, local, pip. Okay, many files will be there. Okay, that much don't go there. Total time will take. Okay, just you can see once now here. So what are the important words? First of all, who is given the highest priority? Python programming. Next what? Josh Innovations. Third, second floor. Welcome. Hello. Course Amirpet. So this is what? Ranking. It is called as what? Keywords ranking. Who is given the highest importance? So you can pass your own text and check once. If you keep these things in your website, what's the thing will be getting highest priority first? And this is called as what? Keyword ranking. And what's the thing here using here? Search engine optimization. So they'll be first of all keeping these things and then verifying what things I have to keep in the website and not things. So what I think I have to install for this now? Pip space install space. Yeah. Rake RAKE hyphen or underscore hyphen. Let me write properly hyphen NLTK. This install, then close the program, again open. If first time you run the as it is, next time change the what sentence. So try once in the laptop now. And those who executed, write in the chat box. Yes. So I'll give you 2 minutes of time again. Run the code now. Close the program. Press installer. Yeah, meeting is going to end. Join the same link once again. Okay.